Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Mitsubishi Lancer faster. First, let's talk about some easy bolt-on modifications. Upgrading your air intake system is a great starting point, as it allows your engine to breathe more efficiently, potentially adding 5 to 10 horsepower. Next, a performance exhaust system can reduce back pressure, freeing up another 5 to 15 horsepower. Finally, an engine tune or ECU reflash can optimize your car's computer, unlocking hidden power and improving throttle response for a more engaging driving experience. Beyond raw power, improving your Lancer's handling is crucial for a faster feel. Installing coilovers or lowering springs will drop your car's center of gravity, significantly reducing body roll and improving cornering. Don't forget about your tires. Upgrading to high-performance rubber provides much better grip, allowing you to take corners with more confidence and speed. A stiffer rear sway bar can also make a noticeable difference, tightening up the rear end and making the car feel more planted. To truly go faster, you also need to stop faster and be lighter. Upgrading your brake pads and rotors will give you more consistent and powerful stopping performance, crucial for track days or spirited driving. Swapping to lightweight wheels can reduce unsprung mass by several pounds per corner, which improves acceleration, braking, and handling. Finally, consider removing any non-essential items from your trunk or interior. Even small weight reductions can contribute to a quicker car. For those looking for even more, a lightweight flywheel can significantly improve engine response, allowing your Lancer to rev up much faster, making gear changes feel more immediate. Upgrading your spark plugs and ignition coils ensures a stronger, more consistent spark, leading to more efficient combustion and a slight power bump. Lastly, a larger throttle body can increase the volume of air entering your engine, which, when combined with other modifications, can contribute to greater horsepower output.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.